This short video demonstrates basic operation of the Vortex matrix using the web interface. I shall demonstrate the method of making routing changes and changing alias text. Before accessing the web pages, you will need to know the IP address of the CPU card you're going to connect to. This can be found from the HMI by tapping Menu and then Configuration, or alternatively by using the ETL Discovery tool. The web pages have been tested to be compatible with all the modern web browsers. In all cases, it's recommended that you use the latest version of the browser. In this video, I'm using Chrome. Enter the IP address of the CPU card into the address bar. In this example, enter //192.168.10.160, and when you hit return, the main home page for the matrix is displayed. Like the front panel HMI, the routing information is shown in a grid format. The green dots indicate the currently configured routes. The configuration in the example is called a forward diagonal, where input 1 is connected to output 1 through to input 16 connected to output 16. The input aliases are shown along the top of the grid and the output aliases down the side. Status information for the matrix is shown along the top of the title bar. As you move the mouse pointer around the grid, the input and output selected at the point where your mouse pointer is are highlighted in the input and output alias sections. At this point, we've stopped over output 4 and input W3AV. To change the routing to the highlighted point, simply left click with the mouse, like so. The first time you do this, you will need to log on, and we are using admin, lowercase admin 1234. And you will see the green dot moves to where we have clicked. You'll only be prompted to log on again if you close and reopen the browser. So subsequent routing changes do not require you to log on. Simply click in the square where you need the connection to be made, as I'm showing on the screen now. To terminate or disconnect an output, click on the green dot and you will get a row of light blue dots replacing the green dot, indicating that the output is now off or terminated. To reconnect, click on the point where you want the connection to be made. So that's routing changes demonstrated. So now we'll look at the changing of the aliases. To change an alias, you click on the alias, first click on the alias to be changed. So in this case, we're going to change the alias for output 3. A dialog box will be displayed, prompting for the entry of a new alias. The alias can contain upper and lower case, numeric, dash and space characters, and can be up to 12 characters long. We are going to name this output IRD-3. And when we've completed entry of the new text, we click on OK, and the screen updates with the new alias in the appropriate position. A small word of warning to you that if you click on the alias text box, this starts the process of resetting the aliases back to the default settings. Unless you actually want to reset all the aliases, only click on Cancel. The aliases will be reset to the default settings if you press OK. So in this case, we're going to click on Cancel, and all the aliases remain unchanged. This concludes the basic operation of the Vortex matrix using the web interface.